Unleash your inner storyteller and craft viral iPod tales in under 90 seconds. First, let's pinpoint your story's core. Think of a simple premise. A lost astronaut finds a strange artifact. A brave knight battles a mythical creature. Or a curious cat stumbles upon a hidden portal for our example. Let's go with a lone baker discovers a magical ingredient that makes his pastries fly. Now, refine that idea into a punchy, short script. Focus on visual cues and emotional beats that translate well to quick videos. Aim for 35 concise sentences, leaving room for AI magic. Our script reads: Old Elias, a baker known for his humble loaves, found a shimmering dust. He added a pinch to his croissants. Suddenly, they puffed, gleamed, and floated from the oven. Dancing in the morning light, his bakery was never the same. Head over to Leonardo AI. The key is detailed prompting. Describe your characters, settings, and the emotions you want to convey for our baker. We'll prompt photo of a kindly old baker with flour dusting his apron, holding a golden, flaky croissant that is emitting a soft, magical glow and appears to be gently floating upwards. Generate several image options. Don't be afraid to tweak your prompts for variety. Look for images that capture the essence of your story and have a strong visual appeal. Select the best ones that show the progression of your narrative. Next, envision your video for each sentence in your script. Select a corresponding AI-generated image. Think about how you can visually represent the action if your story mentions movement. Try to pick images that imply it or use simple editing techniques later. Now, it's time for animation basics. Upload your chosen images into a simple video editor for viral shorts. Keep it dynamic. Use subtle zooms, pans, or even short, looping animations to bring your still images to life for our floating croissants. A slight upward drift or gentle bobbing motion adds that magical touch. Leonardo AI can also assist with simple animations for more advanced visuals. Experiment with their animation tools. Even a subtle shimmer or a gentle pulsing glow can elevate your visual storytelling significantly. Finally, add some captivating background music and ensure your text overlays are clear and concise if needed. But let the visuals do most of the talking for maximum impact. The aim is immediate engagement. Share your AI-generated masterpiece across your favorite social media platforms and watch the likes, shares, and views soar.